Good morning students. Today we will be discussing the topic e-commerce business models. Firstly, we start with what is e-commerce. E-commerce or electronic commerce means buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. E-commerce is also known as internet commerce. The standard definition of e-commerce is when a commercial transaction happened over the internet. Online stores like Amazon, Flipkart, eBay are one of the examples of e-commerce websites. Next are the categories of e-commerce business models. E-commerce business models can be categorized into following types, in which first category is business to business, that is B2B model. Next is business to consumer, B2C, consumer to consumer, C2C, consumer to business, C2B, business to government, B2G, government to business, G2B, and government to citizen, G2C. Now we'll discuss firstly business to business model. Business to business model sells its products to an intermediate buyer who then sells the products to the final customer. As you can see in the figure, the wholesaler orders the products from the website and the website intimates the business organization. Business organization process the orders and give the supplies to the wholesaler, and the wholesaler finally sells the product to the final customer. Next model is business to consumer. B2C business model sells its products directly to a customer. A customer can view and order the products from the website. The website will then send the notification to the business organization via email and dispatch the supplies to the required customer. As you can see in the figure, the customer directly orders the products from the website and website intimate the business organization, and that organization sends the supplies directly to the customer without any intermediate person. Next model is consumer to consumer model. C2C business model helps consumer to sell their assets like cars, motorbikes, properties, etc. by publishing some of its information on the websites. Websites may or may not charge for its services from the consumers. As you can see in the figure, customer 1 wants to sell the product and post some information regarding the product on the website, and customer 2 wants to buy the product which customer 1 has published on the website. Then customer 2 approaches to customer 1 through the website and get the desired product. Next model is consumer to business model. In consumer to business model, a consumer approaches a website showing multiple business organizations for a particular service. The consumer places an estimate of amount he or she wants to spend for a particular service. For example, the comparison of interest rates of personal loans provided by various banks via bank websites. A business organization who fulfills the customer's requirements best, that is within the budget, the customer gets the service from that particular website. As you can see in the figure, business organization publish its regarding information on the website, and website is used by the customers to get the required information, and the customer then approaches to the appropriate business organization which can particularly cater to the needs of the consumer. Next model is business to government model. B2G model is actually a variant of B2B model. Such websites are used by government to trade and exchange information with various business organizations. Such websites are accredited by government and provide a medium to do business and to submit application forms to the government. Next model is government to business model. Government uses B2G model websites to approach business organizations. Such websites support auction, tenders, and application submission functionalities. In this, government approaches certain websites and website approaches certain business organizations for their particular services they are providing. Next is government to citizen model. Government uses G2C model website to approach citizens in fulfilling their government services. Government use G2C model websites to approach citizen in general. Such websites supports functions like auction of vehicles, machinery, and any other type of material. Such websites also provide some government services to the citizens like registration of marriage, birth, and death. The main aim of G2C websites is to minimize the waiting time of customers in getting government services. Here the government launches a website which is used by the citizen to get various different services provided by the government. This is all about e-commerce business models. Thank you so much.